Hi guys, you're watching Aptitude, especially for young innovative minds. So, today's session is to discuss the questions we left uncompleted in the previous video, that is arithmetic aptitude. So, moving on to the third question. Two pipes can fill a cistern in 15 hours and 12 hours respectively, while the third can empty it in 20 hours. If all pipes are opened simultaneously, in how many hours the cistern will be filled? So, the core thing you need to keep in mind is work is the reciprocal of the time required to complete the work. So, the first pipe takes 15 hours to complete the work. So, the work per hour of the first pipe will be 1/15. And all work to complete it, the second pipe takes 12 hours. So, the work it can do is 1/12. And the third can empty the thing. It is a negative work. So, it will be minus 1/20. And the question is, if all pipes are opened simultaneously, in how many hours the cistern will be filled? So we need to find the whole work it takes by the three pipes. Okay, so three pipes, the whole work will be 1/15 plus 1/12 minus 1/20. So this will be, by after all the cross multiplication and all, we will get this answer as 1/10. So this 1/10 is the work done simultaneously by all the three pipes, 2 positive works and 1 negative work. And this is the work. So in order to find the time at which the work will be completed, just take the reciprocal of this work, that means 10 hours. Okay, now the next question is, tickets numbered 1 to 50 are mixed and one ticket is drawn at random. Find the probability that the ticket drawn has number which is a multiple of 4 or 7. So the whole of the set will be numbers 1 to 50. Okay, and the probable outcomes that we need, possible outcomes are 4, 7, etc., 48, 49, up to that. Okay, so we need to find the probability. Probability means total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So we need to find that number of outcomes which are favorable. The number is either the multiple of 4 or 7. So the first number which is a multiple of 4 will be 4 and the last number will be 48. In order to find the term difference, number of terms, we have the formula which we studied at the time of 10th standard set theory. Okay, number of terms will be equal to the term difference divided by common difference all plus 1. So it will be 48 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 1, and we will get 12. And in order to find the number of terms which are multiples of 7, we proceed with the same. So 49 minus 7 divided by common difference 7 plus 1. This will be 7. But the caution is that if it includes any common terms, we should exclude that repetition. Okay. So here in the multiples of 4 and multiples of 7 up to 50, we have one common term, that is 28. So we need to exclude one term from this total 12 plus 7 terms. This will be 12 plus 7 minus 1, that is 18 terms. So 18 are the possible outcomes. Now in order to find the probability is just number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. This will be 18 divided by 50. This will be 9 by 25. Okay. And the fifth question is, three friends, Roshan, Kamal, Arjun, start a business as partners. Twice Rohan's capital is equal to thrice Kamal's capital. Also, thrice Roshan's capital is 4 times Arjun's capital. What is Arjun's share in total profit of rupees 7,540 after 1 year? So first of all, let us simplify this Roshan, Kamal and Arjun as R, K and A. Their shares given are R, K and A. Okay. Now, the thing we need to keep in mind is share of a profit of one person participating in a partnership business is fraction of share into profit. Now, in order to find the fraction of share, we have two given things, that is twice Roshan's capital is equal to thrice Kamal's capital. So 2R is equal to 3K and 3R is equal to 4A. Now, either just do this thing. We know that K is equal to 2 by 3R. Okay. According to your choice, you can either make all the terms in terms of K or in terms of R or in terms of A, neither carrying all the three variables together. Okay. We need only one variable. And we will get a fraction like this, 8:12:9. Now out of this, Arjun's profit is fraction of share into profit. Now what is fraction of share? 9 divided by 29 into 7,540, which is the profit. We will get this number as 2,340. Okay. So the sixth question is, the present worth of a bill due to some time hence is rupees 1,100 and the true discount is rupees 110. Find the banker's discount and the banker's gain. Now, we need to remember the formula. True discount is equal to root of banker's gain into present worth. Now from this, we get banker's gain as true discount the whole squared divided by present worth. And this will be 110 into 110 divided by 1,100. And we will get this as 11 rupees. And in order to get banker's discount, we have the formula banker's discount is equal to true discount plus banker's gain. We have banker's gain and true discount. So banker's discount is equal to 11 plus 110 and this will be 121 rupees. So it is as simple as this. And the next question is the seventh question, and it says that in first 15 overs of cricket, run rate was 4.2. What should be the run rate in remaining 35 overs to reach target of 282? So this is a pretty interesting for cricket lovers. So it says that for 15 overs the run rate was 4.2. Now we need to have the formula. What? Total runs taken will be equal to total number of overs into run rate for that much overs. So the total runs for 15 overs here will be 15 into the run rate 4.2. This will be 63 runs. we have the target of 282 in order to win. So remaining runs we should take is 282 minus 63, that is 219. And now in order to get these much runs in 35 overs, what should be the run rate? So we have the formula total runs is equal to run rate into total number of overs. So here we have 219 is equal to 35 into run rate. So run rate will be equal to 219 divided by 35, and we will get the answer as 6.25. Okay. And now straight to the next question, 8th question. How much time will it take for an amount of rupees 500 to yield rupees 50 as interest at 5% per annum of simple interest? So here we have the principal amount 500 rupees, and we should yield a simple interest of rupees 50 per annum, and the rate of interest is given as 5%. So we have the formula simple interest is equal to principal amount into time into rate of interest all divided by 100. We need to find time. So time in years will be equal to simple interest into 100 divided by principal amount into rate of interest. This will be 50 into 100 divided by 500 into 5. This is equal to 2 years. So the time taken for this much to yield this much simple interest will be 2 years at the rate of 5. Now the last 9th question. Arun's age after 5 years will be 1/3 of his father's age. 10 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 1:8. What is the present age of Arun? Now let Arun's age be A and father's age be F. Now it is given that after 5 years, Arun's and father's age relation is like this. A plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of F plus 5. Okay, 5 years after their present ages. So A plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of F plus 5. And 3A, by mixing this up, 3A plus 15 is equal to F plus 5. Then F minus 3A is equal to 10. This is the first equation. And the next relation is ratio of their ages was 1:8 when 10 years ago. So F minus 10, A minus 10 is to F minus 10 is equal to 1:8. By cross multiplying, we will get F minus 10 into 1 is equal to 8 into A minus 10, and F minus 8A is equal to minus 70. Now we have two equations and two variables. F minus 3A is equal to 10 and F minus 8A is equal to minus 70. Subtracting the second equation from the first equation, we will get 5A is equal to 80. So A will be equal to 16, where A is Arun's present age. So this is it. If we have a simple logical approach, and if we have a simple interest, some interest in mathematics part, we will get all these arithmetic aptitude questions correct. Okay, so that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and do subscribe, comment and share with your friends.